Hello everyone, welcome to this video on configuring label parameters in Bold BI dashboards. In this tutorial, you'll learn about the configuration of label parameters to seamlessly display your data dynamically based on your filter. This enhances the user experience and reduces the time required to gain valuable insights for your business. A label parameter is a dynamic placeholder used in widget titles or labels to display real-time data values based on filters or user selections. It allows you to dynamically insert column values or aggregated results into widget titles. It supports sum, count, average, minimum, maximum, variable, and distinct count numeric values. As for date-time types, it supports dates, years, months, quarters, days, day-month-year values, minutes, seconds, month-year values, date-hour values, days of the week, and weeks of the year. Lastly, it supports count and distinct count text types. You can use a single data source with this syntax, or multiple data sources using this syntax. The function represents the purpose of the parameter, and the column name represents the field name being retrieved using the parameters command. This helps with dynamic updates like widget titles automatically reflecting the selected filter values. Users can see relevant data without extra clicks. It also supports aggregations and can show totals, averages, or distinct counts in labels. Multi-source compatibility works across different data sources and improves dashboard interactivity, making dashboards more informative and user-friendly. Please note that the label parameter is designed to work with container titles of widgets. It cannot be used directly in number or KPI card widgets without a series configuration. To enable, configure the card with a series and then add the label parameter in the title. Now, I'll show you how to configure the parameters. For this example, we'll create some widgets. On the design page, I'll click the data source icon. Select Use Existing and choose Supply Chain Performance Details. Then let's click Add. Once the data source is added, drag and drop a combo box to the design canvas and resize it. Click the Properties icon at the top right corner and navigate to the Assign Data tab. Add values like product name. I navigate to the Properties and update the name to product name. This will be our master filter. Next, drag and drop a grid widget to the canvas and resize it. Click the Properties icon at the top right corner and navigate to the Assign Data tab. Add values like product name, unit price, selling price, and customer order. Rename the necessary datasets. I'll navigate to the Properties and update the name to Product Sales Details. And scroll to Column Settings to align the columns. This will be our listener widget. Lastly, let's drag and drop a text box to the canvas and resize it. Click the Properties icon at the top right corner and configure the parameter by adding the syntax. In this example, I'll add the count of products ordered by customers using a single data source syntax. This will be our label parameter. It will display the total count of products ordered by customers, filtered as per the specified criteria. Let's preview the dashboard. You can see that the added parameter displays the total count of ordered products by customers. Through filtering, it specifies the total count of the products selected. In this tutorial, I've shown you how to configure label parameters in Bold BI. To learn more about Bold BI, you can visit boldbi.com. Start a free 30-day trial by selecting Try It Free. If you want a demo from an expert, select Request Demo to schedule a call. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you for watching.